Okay, number 20. The width of a rectangle is x minus 4 centimeters and the length is x plus 3 centimeters. The rectangle has an area of 30 centimeters squared. Write an equation that can be used to find x, then find the length and the width. So we're applying area, because it tells us the area. We're going to draw a picture, set the area equal to 24 to get our equation, and then solve it. So again, if we draw our picture, again they told us the width was x minus 4, and the length is x plus 3. So we're talking about area, so again I'm talking about length times width, so x minus 4 times x plus 3, which I can do by using the Punnett square. So I got x, negative 4, x and 3. So again, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And if I combine my like terms, I get x squared minus x minus 12 for my expression for the area of a rectangle. So I'm going to have x squared minus x minus 12 is my expression for the area, but we're told the area equals 30, so I put equals 30 to get my equation. Now, to solve x squared minus x minus 12 equals 30, in order to use the diamond a factor to solve, I need 0 on the right hand side. So right now I have a positive 30 on the right hand side, so I'm going to need to do the opposite and subtract 30 from both sides, which would give me x squared minus x minus 42 equals 0. Now I can use the diamond. So again, a times c on top. A is 1 times c is negative 42. So I got negative 42, and then b is negative 1. So the two numbers that multiply to get negative 42 and add to get negative 1 are negative 7 and 6. So now this becomes x minus 7 times x plus 6 equals 0. So again, if that equals 0, that means x has to be the opposite. So x would have to equal 7, or x would have to equal negative 6. So now we've got x values, now we've got to see which one works. So let's check x equals 7 over here. So it wants us to find the width, which means I could just put in 7 for the x. 7 minus 4 is 3, so my width could be 3. Put in 7 here, 7 plus 3 is 10, so my length would be 10. Now 10 times 3 is 30, so yeah, that one works, that's fine. Now if I check negative 6, negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. Well again, we're talking about a real world situation. I can't have a negative side length. So even though mathematically negative 6 works, according to this problem that we're doing, since it's a real world situation, we can cross that out. So that just leaves us with one solution of 10 and 3 that follows that constraint of the width being x minus 4 and the length being x plus 3.